Falls. So we're going to Isla Gigantes for an overnight stay. We'll see you there. So this is our way. We're coming from Cuartero, Capiz. And this is the land of Nagba. We're currently at Nagba Elementary School. So ngayon nasa Maayon, Capiz kami dahil bili kami ng ice dun sa 7-Eleven. Kasi naubos yung ice sa bahay kagabi. Dahil pinag-inuman. Tapos kain yan, no? Dalawa kain sila ng kain.
Ginablog kami. Ginablog kita gambal. Nagkakao kaya.
Pupunta na to. Lalagay ko kayo sa YouTube na kain na kayo ng kain. So we're in Carles and nasa tourism county. So eto, pagdating mo dito, magre-register ka dyan. Kunting tinda-tinda. And then you have the Bangkal Bagsakan Center. So you have the fresh fishes there. We're gonna drop there tomorrow before we head home. And then ito meron namang mga hotline numbers of PNP, Coast Guard, Bureau of Fire, MD, RRMO, and it's RHU, tsaka Tourism Office. So we're waiting for our boat. So yan, we're waiting for our boat. So may dili si ate. We tried pusit. Oh, ang mahal, 160, 150. Oh my god, so expensive. May boneless dilis. Okay, 90. May dilis. So, we're waiting for our boat. So, in few minutes, nandito na yan. Punta na tayo, magka-island hopping na tayo in Carles, Iloilo. Gonna drop by. Wow, ang dami-dami.
Kilo na na? O kilohon pa lang?
Napakala na, ma'am?
Napakala na.
Kilo na pala na, ma'am?
Sige na.
So, this is going to Manila. Itong mga kaimpake na to. Fishes going to Manila.
Ganda na po eh.
So, hi guys! Nandito na ako sa boat. And we're waiting for the clearance from Coast Guard and we will leave na. So, ako po ang nanay.
Nakaupo, bot?
Oo, ato dito may trono ako dito. Ayan o, kasama ako mga bagahe. At ang ating captain of the day. So, we're heading to whatever island in some parts of Iloilo. So, we are at Carles. What do you want, mother? So, my mom wants her black bag. Oh, wait. So, come with me as I enjoy the rest of the day. Hi all! We are at Palupandan Island. Nakapicturean ta ka na eh. Nandito na kami ngayon sa sandbar. So yan. Medyo nag-high tide na. So, yan na lang.
Okay, 1, 2, 8. 1, 2, 8. Model ng sandbar ah.
So I'm gonna wear my protective hat.
Okay, group picture.
Apal, picture. Apal. Apal, di nakarapal.
Naiwan ka mga doon.
Dahil nakakadlaw ka? Oo. Nakakadlaw tayo mo.
So guys, sa amin ang isla ngayong araw na to. Yeah, I'm gonna take a bath later. After.
Ako niyo, may nagtaka ka dito sa muna. Yung really at one.
Ay, ma-picture ka na, ma'am.
Hello everyone! So, nandito na tayo sa Gamay, Cabugao. Ay, Isla Cabugao, small island. Nakalimutan ko na yung whole term. But anyway, let's take a... So, yan. Andun yung mga kasama ko. Dito kami uupo for lunch. Tapos, samaya, aakyat kami sa bundok na yun. Ay, bundok dyan. Overseeing. And this is our lunch place. Isn't this lovely?
Okay. Panglaban ng mga post, ma'am. Pang-ipitsim. 1, 2, 8.
mother, ha?
Nako ha, parang may ari na.
Guys, ganyan ako post ko. Tapos, binigyan pa ako ng isang plato. Nakalahati ko na rin. Baka diarrhea ako nalabasan mamaya. This is so tall, right?
Masarap yung pala lang.
My mama was that.
Puro niya yan. Tuba. Tuba niya. Tuba niya. Mga langgaw. Tabong. Abong. Tuba niya.
Manok. Prito.
Langgaw nga tuba.
Ito na kain ko. So we're leaving now the Isla Gigantes and we're heading to Tangke. May binili kami dito scallops na dried scallops. Pwede ba siyang iprito?
Ayaw kay yung simento, magalit din, no?
Minton tanin eh, galing kay ginpan. Hindi pwede para natural lang.
Guys, we're at Tangke. Tangke nga no? Tangke Lagoon, part of Carles, part of Iloilo. You should go here pag dapat naka-high tide para yung tubig may laman. So this will be our pond for today. At ngayon, kami lang ang tao. So kami lang ang tao. Si nanay ko, tour guide. Ayan. So we'll enjoy this place for a few minutes, then we'll be heading back to another destination. Guys, we're leaving Tangke. I'm saying goodbye. Tangke. Bye. Bye, Tangke. Bye. Wow. Really, lumabas yung monkey. Bye-bye. Ayun, mga maliliit. Bye.
Ara na sila kadamo sa ila. Nanaog sila si Dalon. Paano sa ka mga cellphone na kasi? Pagkaon. Sige sila.
Hi guys, so alis na kami at pupunta na naman kami sa last island of the day. Yung isla na Ala de Boracay dito sa Iloilo.
Ay, may banana boat.
We're here at Little Boracay.
Hindi ka mo ka paalam.
So the Little Boracay, it's called Little Boracay because of the sand that feels like Boracay Island. So ayun. So magdidip lang din kami ulit. Magdidip. So after nito, we're heading towards dun sa cottage. Hey guys, so we're here at Little Boracay. Yeah, so Little Boracay nga. Sa sand nila.
Ay, pino no?
Because it's so pino. Boracay sand. Say bye-bye. Bye. Goodbye to Little Boracay and we're heading to our resort at Sea Sand Resort. So yan po ang Little Boracay. Bye-bye. See you someday. Evening everyone, nandito na kami sa aking lot. So we are at Jessa Beach Resort. Akala ko Sesan. Si James. Ari ka pa man buwas, James?
Mabalik sila, James. James, hanapin ka lang nila kung mabalik si Apple next time.
Room nyo ma'am, pwede naman.
Yan.
So taka mo kay
Isa lang. Ma'am Sally, good evening. Ya Cortero Kapis. Taga Barutak. It's good evening. So we are at resort, just finished showering. And ito yung kami lang yung tao dito ngayon. Dahil nga, na pandemya tayo. Hindi. Meron naman silang guest pero tomorrow pa darating. Tingnan nyo. Ayan. Nandito po tayo sa Jessa Resort. Ayan. So, this is their kainan. The dinner will be served at 7 o'clock. So, si Kuya nagpe-prepare ng food. And we will have scallops again for dinner. Pupurga na ng scallops. And we have crabs also for dinner. Dadadagan na naman yung tabako dito. Ayan. Babawas-bawasan ko na lang yung kanin ko ngayong gabi. So, again, silip tayo sa Ayan. So, ganyan yung mga rooms. Pwede naman good for 3. Pero, good for 2. Mas convenient. Ayan. Ayan yung canteen. Ayan. So, ito yung hotel. I mean, sa labas. Yan yung beachfront. Low tide ngayon. Low tide. Tapos, ayan, pagpasok mo, yan yung cottages sa side. Restaurant here. Tapos yan, tambayan. May sensor. Yan, sensor. Naka-sensor yung lights. Guys, good morning. Sorry, hindi ko pala na-picturean yung dinner kagabi kasi nakalimutan ko. Hindi naman ako gutom kagabi, pero alimango yung kinain namin, scallop fritters, at saka bangus na sinigang. Ayun. So, ngayong araw, it's actually like 5 o'clock in the morning. We're supposed to go to watch a sunrise and go to lighthouse. Ay, pero wala pa yung namin, our guide is not here yet. Baka nasobrahan ng tulog. Ayun, wala pa siya. So I'm just here sitting. We're already nakabihis na nanay ko, auntie ko, pinsan ko, tsaka si Fetchelin. Well, anyway, we'll just sit here, wait for our breakfast, wait for our boat later on to go back to the mainland. So we have nice 24-hour vacation. Oh, he's here. Oh, dyan na si James. Hello, arado sa Paul. Ngayong aga.
Kasama nyo?
Hindi namin kasama. Si Fetch. Good morning. We have pandesal for breakfast. First breakfast. Sabi niyo, dayon sa Parola Cafe and Museum. So that's where the lighthouse is. Oops. Sira na yung kapihan nila kasi yung in charge hindi inasikaso. Oh, may tao.
Yung ma'am, hindi pa okay ma'am.
Hello? So hindi aakyatin to? Hindi aakyatin.
Aakyat to. So, nung time na kita ba ng marina na yung maakyat marami. Pero capacity na lang.
Palak niya.
Lagyan nila ng nagbawal.
Anong island to, kuya? Ha? O ay dahon? Ang dami kayong dahon.
Gigantes North, Isla Gigantes North, and is the White Dahon Island, and doon may isla dyan. Yeah, that's Masbate. So this concludes our tour for the day. We'll have breakfast at the resort, and then we will wait for our boat. Thank you all for watching. See you in my next trip.